Hello. Okay. I want to move this one over there. So I have to remove it. So I cut a big circle, then I dig inside. Yes, little by little. Try to minimize, destroy its root. Now you see it's moving. It moves. Voila. So soon I will finish. Yes, soon finish. And over there, I dig another hole. I show you. Okay, I show you. Okay, here I made a peep. Okay, I did hole. I will put here. This is last year we did. This is 2 years ago we did. They are all they very vivant, very good. Now one here, and this will be another one here. Okay. Okay, continue. The soil. Okay, we do this way. Okay. Yes. Now it's more light. Okay, now I put the So soil on the surface, and I watered. Now I can fertilizer or something, whatever. Okay, now it's ready. You stop. Hey. Yeah. Now this is the second. First, second. Okay, they're all relocated. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.